Hey there, fellow travelers. Welcome back to It's Time for a Trip. In today's video, we'll be sharing our essential packing guide for an overnight trip. Whether you're heading out for a quick weekend getaway or a short business trip, packing efficiently is key to ensure you have everything you need while keeping your luggage light. So, let's jump right into it. The first step in packing for an overnight trip is selecting the right bag. Opt for a small suitcase, duffel bag, or backpack that is compact, lightweight, and fits within the airline's carry-on restrictions if you're flying. When it comes to clothing, pack according to the weather and activities you have planned. Include a comfortable outfit for traveling and an extra set of clothes for the following day. Remember to pack essentials such as underwear, socks, and sleepwear. Consider versatile pieces that can be mixed and matched. Bring travel-sized toiletries such as toothbrush, toothpaste, shampoo, conditioner, and soap. Don't forget any personal care items you may need, like a razor or feminine hygiene products. Place them in a small toiletry bag to keep them organized and easily accessible. For overnight trips, you may want to bring some entertainment options. Consider packing your e-reader, tablet, or a lightweight laptop if needed. Don't forget to bring the necessary chargers and adapters as well. Ensure you have all the necessary travel documents. This includes your ID, passport, if traveling internationally, boarding pass or tickets, and any hotel reservations or confirmations. Keep them in a secure and easily accessible place, like a travel wallet or document organizer. Pack a few snacks for the journey, especially if you have specific dietary preferences or restrictions. Granola bars, nuts, or dried fruits make excellent on-the-go snacks. Additionally, carry a refillable water bottle to stay hydrated throughout your trip. If you take any medications, be sure to pack them in their original containers. It's also a good idea to bring a small first aid kit with essentials like Band-Aids, pain relievers, and any necessary prescription medications. To ensure a restful sleep during your overnight trip, pack a small pillowcase, earplugs, and an eye mask. These items can help create a comfortable sleeping environment regardless of your accommodation. If your trip exceeds one night, consider packing a small travel-sized laundry kit. This could include a sink-friendly detergent and a clothesline or a few laundry pods. This allows you to wash your clothes and pack even lighter for longer trips. Depending on your preferences and the purpose of your trip, you may want to bring additional items like a camera, travel journal, or a small travel umbrella. These are not essential but can enhance your overall experience. And there you have it, our essential packing guide for an overnight trip. By following these tips, you'll be well prepared and ready to enjoy your short getaway or business excursion. Remember to pack efficiently, keeping in mind the essentials and the activities you have planned. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more travel tips, destination guides, and adventure inspiration. Safe travels, and we'll see you in the next video.